Hello my dear family members. Today we have some exciting news for all of you looking to kickstart your career in the IT industry with one of the biggest names in the business, Accenture. We'll be discussing the Accenture off-campus hiring for the position of SASA, that means System and Application Service Associate, for the year of 22 and 23. So let's start. First, let's talk about the job itself. Accenture is looking for talented individuals to join their team as SASA associate, right? Here are some key details you have to know. That is, the ideal candidates for this position should have between 0 to 11 months of experience, and the compensation package for this role ranges between these, right? And it is a full time, that means you will be fully immersed in the world of IT and technology, right? And the job is based on the Tech Hub of India, Bangalore, right? Okay, now let's talk about the eligibility. Actually, Accenture has some specific criteria you need to meet to apply for this opportunity, right? If you are given the Accenture exam before in the June, or if you have not taken the Accenture exam in the last 3 months, then you are eligible to apply. So this is a great chance for those who missed out on the previous opportunity, or those who are just starting their journey in the field of IT, right? Okay, these are the some fields that you have to look upon, right? What you have to do and what they require, right? Okay, let's talk about the application process. I will share you the link in the comment section or in the description. Please visit through the link and you will jump to this page, right? So click on the apply now button. Then you will have to register yourself. Then after filling out your profile, you have to submit your resume and some required documents, right? Most probably your PAN card and other card, right? So there you will see no deadline, right? Last date no, not mentioned, but make sure to keep an eye on the application page, as they can be quite strict on them, right? Be sure to check the Accenture career pages for the latest update on this hiring process, right? Before you click on the apply button, here are some tips for you. That is, tailor your resume to highlight your relevant skills and experiences. If you don't know the syllabus or resources to prepare, then visit the links given in the description box. You will be benefited, right? So still, if you face any issue, then let me know. I will answer in the comment section, right? So thank you for today's session.